Let's now head to Baringo County, where the bodies of 6 people who drowned after their boat capsized in Lake Baringo on Sunday have been retrieved. The bodies of 5 children and a woman were found floating near Kokwa Island, bringing the total number of fatalities in the incident to 7. It has been revealed that the boat, which had 23 people on board, had exceeded its carrying capacity by more than 10 people. Ken Gashuhi reports.
The search for 6 persons who have been missing since Sunday when the boat they were sailing in capsized in Lake Baringo was called off Tuesday morning following the successful recovery of their bodies by volunteer divers and officers from the Kenya Coast Guard.
Our divers and our marine officers were able to trace the bodies around Kokwa Island, and the bodies have been successfully brought to the mainland and moved to Cabernet mortuary. We want to say pole to the families.
The bodies were found floating near Kokwa Island, where they were heading for a youth rally as a group of 23 people. Of the 23, 16 were rescued, but 1 was pronounced dead on arrival at the island.
Now we are talking of 7. Earlier on, 1 person had been retrieved on the fateful day. We have taken some of the family members to go and identify the bodies and then be given psychosocial support. We want to officially call off the exercise because all the people have been accounted for.
Christine Lemusurunga, who was supposed to be on the boat, could not hold back her tears as she came face to face with the sad reality of losing her 3 daughters. Her son was among those who survived. It has been established that the boat was carrying more than double its capacity. The engine is also said to have been entangled in fishing nets, causing it to stall before the boat was overturned by strong waves as the children jumped off in panic.
We do acknowledge that the boat was carrying 23 people on board, of which the boat was supposed to be carrying about 8 to 10 people maximum. I'd like to call upon the beach management unit and the people, the Boat Owners Association, to enforce the regulations and laws to be carrying the right number of people.
The recovery of the bodies in under 72 hours has been termed a miracle, given that Lake Baringo is infested with dangerous animals including crocodiles and hippos.
Hiyo mwili ilipatikana kwa hiyo mlima, chini ya hiyo mlima ambayo alikuwa anaenda kuomba Mungu. Na ilipatikana wote 6. Tuliona Mungu ametusaidia. Si rahisi kupata mwili 6 safari moja. Mara nyingi tukiwa na shida kwa hii bahari inachukua muda kupatikana watu kwa sababu ya upepo inapeleka watu.
Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.
Quite unfortunate. Now let's come back.